What is up, everybody? It is DJ Martini Midwest Reviews coming at you with another video, and today we have a cool basically screen protector. It says it gives a 28% viewing angle for your privacy. It's 9 hardness on the glass, privacy protection, uh, high hardness, scratch resistant, all those good things that you need for a screen protector. We're going to go over it, show you install, also show you what you get in the box, and then my final quick thoughts on the little time that I've had it, what I think of it, and then I'll give you all the reviews, pros and cons that I saw on Amazon. So pretty cool little video. Like I said, I'll give you the exact spelling on the company that's providing this that I saw on Amazon, and I'll also leave a link in the description. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. You never tuned in, just know I'm always looking for those reviews, whether it be little items or big items, looking for those items that you just don't see a lot of content, do that research for you so you don't have to, give it to you as easy as possible, and leave some links in case you're interested in some of the products that we talk about. So thank you guys so much for being here, but let's go ahead and jump right in. So pretty good deal on Amazon. It's like $9, so it's definitely not breaking the bank. It is definitely stuck in this box. I had a hard time opening the lid, and now I can't even get this thing out. It's almost like a box in a box. It is a box in a box. Ugh. Okay, so yes, we got a box in a box, colorful glass. It does have all the specs, does give some instructions on the back, so don't rip it up too much if you want to go through that. But like I said, for $9, I thought I would take a quick chance on it and see what I think. But yeah, we'll show you. I put in tons of these on over the years, and so it should be pretty easy to go ahead and put on. But it does come with the installation kit here, little cleaning wipes. Comes with the little screen, kind of, you put this on there and then you can line up when you put the screen protector on. This is going to be for my iPhone 17 Pro, which I am recording on right now, but to show the video, I'll be able to switch here views here in a second. Here they are, and it is a 2-pack, like I said, so 2 of these for $9, like $4 a screen protector. And yes, these do get 4.1 stars, so it's not terrible. But oh yeah, look at that. You get that crazy looking glass in there, really reflective. And we're going to talk about some pros and cons on this, but like I said, I just wanted to try it out. So if they crack easy or cause some other issues, I can pull it off, and it's not a super loss at $9 for a 2-pack. So but yes, very cool. So basically you get the little installation kit, which has like a few cleaning wipes and a cleaning cloth. I have all that stuff anyway, so I'm not going to bore you with that. But yeah, and then you get the actual screen protector as well, which is shows right here. And then once you peel this off, it'll be ready to go on here in a second. So let's see how this works. I'm very interested. So we're going to go ahead and install it right away and see what we think. So let's go ahead and show you my iPhones. And you can see right here that I actually have a crack in it, so it is time for this one to come off. So I can go ahead and just peel this one off really easily, and yeah, you can see the crack in that one. And I didn't even drop it, I just kind of like sat on it wrong. And yeah, that happens. So we'll go ahead and I'll put that over to the side. Now this thing should be already clean, so I should be able to lay one right on it. But they, of course, like I said, they do come with the cleaning packs. So we'll open those up to see what we get. There's 2 of them. And like I said, they both have the same things in them. Little dust stickers, little cleaning wipe, and then a wet wipe as well. We'll use one of the wet wipes. I like to test these sometimes anyways, because usually sometimes they're already dry because they're like super old. Let's see how this one is. That one still has a little bit. So we'll go ahead and wipe this down. And like I said, it should be kind of clean, because it should be kind of clean, like I said, since I had already kind of, we'll go ahead and use the wipe provided as well. Now I can see a little dust on this. So you could use those dust stickers if you notice anything on there. All right, so that is clean. You can go ahead and put this cover on. And Yeah, it's going to make me take my case off. Now I can put that case on it that it comes with, and now we can lay down. Once you think it has all the dust and everything off of it, we'll go ahead and lay down the protector now. And just line that up according to the case here. And I always just touch it in the middle, get it started. And you can see how it's expanding down a little bit. I don't know, you can barely see that. This is what we got. So you can see it. Now, I see like a bubble on mine. Right in the middle too. Kind of weird. I don't think anything was in there, but it almost looks like a defect in the screen. Right in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, right there. You can see that right here. That is like not a piece of dust that was in it. And I can actually see a bubble right here. Kind of hard to see. See if I can get that out. See if I can pull it up a little bit and get it out. Yep. Yeah, I was able to get it out. That defect is just right in the middle. And I'm pretty sure that's not like dust or anything. I almost want to check, so I'm going to check real quick. All right. Yep, there's no dust in there. It's actually like a defect with the screen. Kind of weird. And you just see that one little defect right there. But that is, like I said, that is not a piece of dust. There's no bump there. It's actually something going on with the screen. Hopefully that installation kind of showed you a little bit that you actually have to strip your phone down and, you know, get everything on there. It wasn't the hardest one I've ever done, but not too bad there. So I would give it 1 thumbs up on installation. Pros and cons, and really quick, like I said, this is the it's the UMHLABA company, colorful glass. It has that orange hue to it, but it does come in some other colors. So I can flash some pictures really quick of the other colors. But it's really cool. Like I said, it does offer the 9 hardness, the privacy protection at 28 degrees like it says. It does have some blue light protection, which I do like. And I really believe that it does have some blue light protection because I have actual glasses, I know, age myself here, that have some blue light protection on them. And it kind of similar vibes that I'm getting from it. So that can help with the rays coming out and also with the eye strain, eye fatigue, things like that. So I do like that about it. And then the explosion proof, which they say on the case, which is kind of funny, explosion proof. But basically that's just meaning that it's going to shatter into little pieces instead of giant shards. So it's kind of funny there. But yeah, so that is also good about it. And it's just an eye catcher. If you want it just for cosmetic looks, that could be something you could be interested in because it does catch eyes. I had it on for 1 day. Somebody pointed it out right away. Said, hey, that's kind of cool. What is that? They thought it was actually something that was already on the phone, but it's just a screen protector. So pretty cool there. Some of the cons, it does dim the display a little bit. It also will kind of make it look a little grainy, a little, the shades are off, a little darker. The best way I can explain it is if you had sunglasses on and you were like looking at your phone, that's the kind of way it darkens your phone, but it's going to be like that all the time because it's like having sunglasses on your phone all the time. So it will affect like the HDR and the way your phone looks, the colors, the vibrance of everything. And so if you don't like that, that might be definitely a con that you don't want on your phone. Because it, like I said, it does give you a grayish tone. Also, there's a lot of reflections off that screen protector, and it is a fingerprint magnet. Like I said, it's kind of clean right now. Right there, you can kind of see it, but as soon as I you could, oh my God, that's just a fingerprint magnet. So pretty crazy there. Yeah, but like I said, it does offer that protection. You can see my screen now, and then boom, you can't see it. Boom, 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 boom. So it does work, but it is a fingerprint magnet. So that's something that you will be cleaning all the time. I think that's my biggest, I'm starting to get used to it now. So like it's okay about the colors or anything. It's not a big deal to me as long as I can see my phone. It's okay, but the fingerprints kind of drive me crazy sometimes, and I'm always wiping it down. Also, the brightness, like I said, you will have to probably bump up your brightness just a little bit so you can be, because it does darken it a little bit. So you'll also be using a little bit more battery life because I usually keep mine pretty low. But I noticed I had to bump it up just a little bit to be kind of equal to where I normally have it. So it's not full or anything, but I did have to up the brightness a little bit. Final thoughts, I will give it a thumbs up. It does what it says. It offers some screen protection. It's probably not the best out there, but it's cheap privacy and protection, but don't expect like the premium results from great clarity and all that kind of stuff as well. It's a $9 screen protector that does the job that it's supposed to, but like I said, I wouldn't, claim it's extraordinary or anything like that. It just kind of gets the job done, offers a little bit of protection, a little scratch resistance. That screen protector is going to crack before your screen, which is always good, right? And so it does what it says, but it's nothing super premium. So at $9, I think it's a great tester item that it's not going to break your bank if you don't like it. You can try it out for a little while, but if it's not for you, peel it off. But if you like it cosmetically, you think it makes your phone look a little cool, then it might add a little bit of pizzazz, a little bit of riz, as the kids say. I don't even know what they say anymore, but might offer a little bit of that for you guys. So that might be a reason that you want it as well. So other than that, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully this was helpful in some way. Please lock in, subscribe, share if it's helpful in any way. I can't wait to see you on my next video or tutorial. So we'll see you later, but hopefully see you soon.